Good morning, children. So let us see what are the new lesson equations. Okay. And before going to learn the equation, let us see first. See, children. So in the last year or in the previous classes, we have been dealing with the numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so far the four fundamental operations. So what are the four fundamental operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, so this branch of mathematics is called arithmetic. So what is arithmetic? Arithmetic is a branch of mathematics where we dealing with the numbers and their four fundamental operations. Now let us see the another branch of mathematics. So here we learn about the dimensions. There's a one-dimensional, three-dimensional, two-dimensional figures and the shapes. So they are called, these dimensions and shapes we learn in geometry. Now the another branch is algebra. What is algebra? So in algebra we use letters to represent the unknown quantities. In algebra we use letters to represent the unknown quantities along with the numbers and the four fundamental operations, and this branch is known as algebra. Okay, so and these unknown quantities we used letters. For this unknown quantities we use letters, and letters are A, B, C and up to Z, so you can use any letter. Okay, and these letters are known as variable. So let us see first with the algebra. So what is algebra? We use letters to represent unknown quantities. Okay, and these letters, and okay, and along with the four fundamental operations and are in algebra. So algebra is the branch of mathematics where we use letters to represent unknown quantities along with numbers and the fundamental operations. Okay, so algebra is the branch of mathematics. Okay, now the letters that we used are A, B, C up to Z. So you can use any letters up to Z. And these letters are known as variables. And it is also known as literals. So this is called beta variables or literals. Okay. Now see where we use this, and it is used to generalize the formula. For example, see beta, find the perimeter of a rectangle of length 6 and breadth x. So you have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. See, because it is the rectangle. Its length is 6. Okay, since it is a rectangle, so its opposite sides are same. So 6 is the length and x is the breadth. Now to find the perimeter. So here for perimeter we used P. So here P represent perimeter. What is the formula? So how to find the perimeter? We will add all the sides of this rectangle, means 6 plus, or here first we use the, so let us see from L and breadth is B. Okay, so perimeter means sum of all the sides. So L plus B plus L plus B. See beta, L plus L means 2L and B plus B means 2B. So here B is common. So take out this B. What is left? L plus B. So here we form the formula for perimeter. P of rectangle, and it is equal to 2 times the sum of length and breadth. Okay. So if it is a square, its length is S, 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 and S. Again, P means perimeter. P is used to represent perimeter. Okay, now here the perimeter is changed because it is a square, hence its all sides are same. So you have to add all its sides. Means S plus S plus S plus S. Okay. S plus S plus S means 4S. So see children, perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by its side. So here we form the formula for the perimeter of a square, that is P equals to 4 into S, that is 4S. Got it beta? So let us see beta another term. Operations on letters and numbers. And numbers. So the four fundamental operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, so let us see first addition of literals. Six is added to X. The sum is 5 is added to A. So what happens if you add 5 to A, where A is the variable? It is the unknown quantity. So how will you express this 5, sum of 5 and A? So it is better A plus 5. See the second one. 7 more than X. So more. So how will you represent more in maths? So we use the operation plus. Means you have to add. Decrease. For decrease you will use subtraction, minus sign. For the product you have to use multiplication. Okay. So 7 more. 7 is more. Then what beta? X. So how will you write? Or you can say what is the algebraic expression for 7 more than X? 6 is 5 is added to A, 7 is more than X. So what are they? They are the algebraic expression where we use letters, numbers, and fundamental operations. Got it, children? So 7 more than X is X plus 7. Subtraction. Decrease A by 7. Decrease A by 7, where A is the literal or variable, you can say. So you have to decrease A by 7. So how will you express it? So we will write for 7 minus A. Means A is decreased, not the 7 is decreased. So you have to subtract A from 7. Second one. 6 less than X. 6 less than X. So what is less? 6 from X. So how will you write? 6 less than X. So X minus 6. So you have to subtract 6 from the X. Third one. Subtract X from 4. Subtract X from 4. So you have to write from first. 4 minus X. Now, X less than X less than the sum of Y and 5. Okay. So what is the question? X is less. Means you have to subtract X. From what? Sum of Y and 5. So first you have to find the sum of Y and 5. And then subtract X from 8. So first we will find the sum of Y and 5. So sum. So for sum, here we use the sign plus. So Y plus 5. Okay, so we put here the bracket. Why? Because first we will solve this bracket. And whatever the sum, then subtract X from 8. So the algebraic expression for this X less than the sum of Y and 5 is Y plus 5. Now here you have to put the bracket. If bracket is not, that means what? So without bracket it will. So what is the meaning of this? You have to subtract X from 5 and then add Y. But what is the question? First you have to find the sum and then subtract the X. That's why it is necessary to put the bracket. Got it, beta? On diminution, B by 2 result is B by 2. So you have to diminution. Means you have to less, subtract. Okay, so what you have to subtract? 2 from B. So you have to always remember, children, the from quantity you have to write the first. Okay, so children, here we will stop, beta. Okay, so in the next grade we will see multiplication and the division of literals and numbers. Okay, so got it, beta? So here we are stopped. Bye bye, children.